Today I'll be teaching you how to use Canva's AI image generator. With Canva's AI image generator, you can create images that visualize a product or idea by transforming words or phrases into images. While the AI image generator tool isn't perfect, it can be really useful when you have an idea of an image you want to use, but can't find a suitable image in Canva or by Google search. First, log into Canva or make an account. Now, click on Create a Design on the top right and choose the canvas you want. Once you have your project opened, navigate to the left where all your tools are, go to the bottom and click on Apps. You might find text-to-image in your Discover page, or you can simply search for it. Click on the text-to-image app and open it. Once it's open, you can describe the type of image you want the AI to generate. Being specific will likely give you better results. For example, my prompt will be to generate a house. As you can see, because my prompt was so vague, the AI doesn't really know what I'm talking about and gives me very different results. I can keep regenerating, but I'm going to make my prompt more specific. I want it to generate a small sage green house on a hill. I can also choose the style I want my image to be, as well as the aspect ratio. Now this time, these results are a lot better, and much closer to what I was looking for. With Canva's free plan, you only have a lifetime use of 50 times, while Canva Pro lets you use the text-to-image tool 500 times per month. This video was created with Castofly, a cloud-based web platform that allows you to record, refine, and publish product demo videos with ease.